Hello. In this video, we are going to go over solving the exponential form of f of x is equal to a times b to the x plus k. That is the form we're going to be solving given the xy charts of 1 and 2. So let's just jump straight into it. The first thing we're going to find is we need to find b. In order to find b, we are going to find the differences between each of these. So let's go through this. 10 minus 2 is 8. 34 minus 10 is 24. 106 minus 34 is 72. 322 minus 106 is equal to 216. Now we can see that this is a geometric change. It's being multiplied. Well, all we need to figure out is, 8 times 3, sorry, let's make sure we just draw this again. 8 times 3 equals 24. 24 times 3 equals 72. 72 times 3 is equal to 216. So therefore, my B is 3. That's it. So now we're going to rewrite y equals a 3 to the power of x plus k. And that's all we need to do now is solve for a and k. All I need to do is pick 2 points. So let's choose another color. We'll go with black. We're going to choose 0, 2 as my first point. Well, x is 0, y is 2. So we plug them in accordingly. 2 goes in for y, 0 goes in for x. What is anything to the 0 power? Just 1. So this becomes 2 times 2 equals a plus k. Well, we need another equation because we have 2 unknowns. So we're going to need 2 equations. I'm going to choose another point, and I'm just going to choose the next point, 110. I'm going to plug that into the same equation, a times 3 to the 1 plus k. And I accidentally wrote 2 over here, but that should be a 10 because that's the y value. Cleaning this up, we get 10 equals 3a plus k. Now we can do elimination to solve for both of these. So what we're going to do is stack them both on top of one another. 2 equals a plus k all over, and then another one, 10 equals 3a plus k. I'm going to flip the signs of just my lower one and rewrite my equations. 2 equals a plus k. Let's write that a little neater. A plus k over negative 10 equals negative 3a minus k. Now we can combine these equations because we can see that k, this plus k minus k will cancel. And then we can combine. 2 minus 10 is negative 8. 8a minus 3a. A minus 3a is negative 2a. Divide by negative 2 to both sides. We see a is equal to 4. Now we can solve for k by plugging that back in. So we'll bring it back here. 2 equals 4 plus k. I'm going to minus 4 to both sides, and I see negative 2 is equal to k. I can now rewrite my equation, and we'll do it in black just so it's obvious. Y equals a, which is 4, times b, which is 3, to the power of x plus k, which is negative 2. And that is my answer for number 1. We will make another video to go over number 2, just so you can have them in 2 separate videos. Other than that, if you want other questions you want me to go over, please just shoot me an email. Hope everyone has a great day.